Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. I've been doing this for 51 years. I am a national expert in IRS representation. I've been on all the major news stations. I have a whole team of former agents. We have about 250 years of IRS experience. We are available for representation. That's enough about me. You can go to my website at 777irs.com and check me out. I am here really to talk about getting you into IRS tax hardship or currently non-collectible. How do you get in hardship status? Well, as a former agent, I've obviously worked thousands of cases. I've been there 10 years, and I put my share of people in non-collectible. So let me tell you how the system works. So if you owe tax debt, IRS wants to first make sure you filed all your tax returns. They also want to make sure you're current. If you're self-employed and owe back taxes, they want to make sure that you're current on those. So make sure all your returns are filed and you're current. So when you call IRS, it looks like you're in really good standing. The next thing IRS is going to do is they're going to take a financial statement on you. The revenue officer will take a long, detailed 433A. The service center, the rudders you get, CP 14, 501, 503, 504, 1058, they are going to go ahead and usually just ask for a 433F, an abbreviated version of that. IRS is there to do two things. Look at your assets, see if you can get a loan, see what you can liquidate to pay the debt, and or they're going to take their financial statement to make sure you're living within the means. Now, what does that mean, living within the means? This is really, really big. What you don't know is that IRS has a standard of living for you. If you want to know what that standard is, living is, that they're going to allow, go into the IRS national standards. There's 4 of them for food and clothing, housing and utilities, car payments, and car expenses. IRS is going to dictate to you through the Department of Labor, who've come up with these anal expenses, and they're going to apply theirs, not yours. So if you have $6,000 in expenses, IRS is only going to allow $4,000. Now you got a $2,000 payment. So if you want to be put in hardship status, and I put many there, you either should call us to review your case and to do your representation. If you're going to do this yourself, which is fine, you need to be aware of the IRS national standards of expenses that they're going to allow, because you may wind up with a high payment agreement and you thought you were going to be put in currently non-collectible or hardship. So just be careful, know the national standards. You're not going to have a problem. But if you owe a lot of money, don't do this yourself. I've been doing this since 1951. Give me a shout. When you call my office, you talk to me. If you do it yourself, I do wish you the best of luck. Give me a subscription if you would. Why? The more subscriptions we have, YouTube thinks we're better. That's why people ask for subscriptions. So give me a subscription. Thank you. I always give you the best information. I pull back the IRS curtain and I tell you really what's going on. Thank you.